Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by and I hope you enjoy this video. Please stay tuned as we discuss 20 healthy Indian food recipes for weight loss. Number 1. Besan chilla. Besan chilla, a traditional Indian flatbread made from besan flour. It's not just a culinary delight, but also a nutritional powerhouse. With its rich protein and fiber content, besan chilla is ideal for breakfast, lunch, or snack. Preparation. Simply combine besan flour with water, salt, and spices. Let the batter sit for a few minutes to allow the flour to absorb moisture. Heat oil in a non-stick pan and pour a thin layer of batter. Cook until golden brown on both sides. Serve hot with your favorite chutney or vegetable stuffing. Besan chilla is a versatile dish that can be customized to your taste. You can add chopped vegetables like onions, bell peppers, or spinach for a flavorful twist. Number 2. Indian Masala oats. Indian Masala oats is a breakfast staple that tantalizes the taste buds and nourishes the body. Its enigmatic blend of spices, aromatic herbs, and healthy oats transforms ordinary mornings into extraordinary gastronomic experiences. Preparation. Begin by toasting oats in a saucepan until fragrant. Next, saute finely chopped onions, green chilies, and ginger until translucent. Infuse the flavors with a medley of aromatic spices like turmeric, cumin, and coriander. Stir in diced tomatoes and a dash of tamarind paste for a tangy balance. Number 3. Quinoa dosa, a delectable breakfast. Quinoa is an ancient grain revered for its nutritional prowess, forms the base of this delightful dosa recipe. Rich in protein, fiber, and antioxidants, quinoa transforms the humble dosa into a very healthy breakfast. Preparation. Combine quinoa flour, semolina, yogurt, salt, and water in a bowl. Stir until a smooth batter forms. Allow the batter to ferment overnight for best results. Next, heat a griddle and brush it lightly with oil. Pour a ladleful of the fermented batter onto the center of the griddle and spread it out in a circular motion. Cook on both sides until golden brown. Number 4. Healthy chickpea salad. Indulge in the delectable flavors of our tantalizing chickpea salad that nourishes your body and tantalizes your taste buds. Packed with protein, fiber, and essential nutrients, chickpeas form the heart of this vibrant dish. Preparation. Get chickpeas, crunchy vegetables like carrots and celery, aromatic herbs like parsley and cilantro, and savory seasonings. Combine these ingredients in a harmonious blend, adding a touch of olive oil and lemon juice to enhance their flavors. The result is an exquisite salad, vibrant in color and rich in texture. Every bite transports you to a world of culinary bliss, leaving you satisfied and invigorated. Number 5. Cakti koshimbir. Cakti koshimbir, a refreshing and nutritious salad originating from the Konkan region of India. It is a very healthy Indian recipe that not only tantalizes the taste buds, but also nutritious. Preparation. Diced cucumber, shredded coconut, green chilies, roasted peanuts, lime juice, and a sprinkle of salt and sugar. The key to its success lies in the freshness and quality of the ingredients. Once assembled, the salad exudes a vibrant aroma and a delightful crunch that will awaken your senses. Not only is Cakti koshimbir a culinary delight, but it is also a nutritional powerhouse. It is rich in dietary fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making it a healthy addition to your diet. Number 6. Dal Palak. Dal Palak is an aromatic and savory dish that tantalizes taste buds and nourishes the body. This traditional Indian delicacy marries the protein-rich lentils with the verdant goodness of spinach, creating a culinary fusion that is both delectable and healthful. Preparation. Begin by soaking the lentils overnight, allowing them to fully absorb water. In a deep pot, sauté fragrant spices such as cumin, coriander, and turmeric in a drizzle of oil. When the spices release their alluring scents, add the drained lentils, along with chopped spinach leaves. Season with salt and allow the mixture to simmer. As the lentils soften and the spinach wilts, a harmonious blend of flavors emerges. Please do not forget to support this channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Leave your comment, like, and share this video with your friends and families. Number 7. Health benefits of vegetable sambar. Vegetable sambar is a traditional South Indian dish. Its vibrant tapestry of vegetables, including lentils, drumsticks, and okra, teems with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Lentils are a rich source of protein, fiber, and iron. Drumsticks boast calcium and potassium, essential for bone health. Okra is a powerhouse of vitamin C, known for its immune-boosting properties. The blend of spices, such as turmeric and cumin, adds anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial benefits. Preparation. Saute onions, garlic, and green chilies in coconut oil or ghee. Add a blend of lentils, drumsticks, okra, and vegetables of your choice. Pour in tamarind water or tomato puree. Bring to a boil, then simmer until the lentils are cooked and the vegetables are tender. Number 8. Nutritional benefits and preparation of saag paneer. Saag paneer is a traditional Indian cuisine, offers a myriad of nutritional benefits due to its rich composition of spinach and cottage cheese. Spinach, a leafy green vegetable, is an excellent source of vitamins A, C, K, folate, and fiber, which promote eye health, boost immunity, improve blood clotting, and support digestive function. Cottage cheese, a high-protein dairy product, provides essential amino acids for muscle growth and repair. Preparation. Saute garlic, ginger, and onions in a pan. Add spinach and cook until wilted. Blend spinach mixture with water and bring to a boil. Add paneer cubes, garam masala, and salt to taste. Simmer for 10 to 15 minutes or until paneer is heated through. Serve hot with roti, naan, or rice for a flavorful and nutritious meal. By embracing a healthy diet, we invest in both our present and future health. We empower ourselves to live longer, healthier, and more fulfilling lives, while also supporting a sustainable and ethical food system. Let us make the choice to nourish ourselves, not just for the moment, but for a lifetime of well-being. Thank you so much for watching, and do not forget to watch my video on how to plan a daily routine. If this video is of value to you, please feel free to comment, like, subscribe, and share this video.